if you look at here, what happens is that you get to see the storefront app of Advocado. So what happens is that this Advocado is a PWA, Progressive Web Application. So there's no native app to download, and this storefront app can exist whether it's on an iPad or whether it's on a mobile phone. Specifically for e-run in Saute Group, they are using the iPad. So this particular screen simulates like how it looks like on the iPad. And right now we're just going to do a very quick role play between me as well as Cindy. So Cindy, you are the customer. I am the cashier of this fictitious cafe, Star Cafe. Okay. So imagine right now you're about to finish your purchase. You have a coffee with you, and I as a cashier will ask this very simple question. Miss, are you a member yet?
Oh, no leh. Is there any ways to be a member?
Wow, you're so excited to be a member. Yes, you should be a member. You know why? Because number one, membership is free. Number two, yay! And today, the coffee that you buy, I can turn it into a 5% cashback for your future redemption so that there's a discount. So in order to remember, all I need you to do is to enter your mobile number. So can I have a mobile number, please?
Oh, sure. 93
58
50 48.
And for the very first time of people using Advocado, we need them to enter a 4-digit PIN that they can remember to secure their redemptions. And for demonstration purpose, I'm just going to put 1, 2, 3, 4. And for the very first time, we also need the consumer to also agree to a PDPA. So if you imagine with me, Cindy will click on I have read and agreed, and I click agree. So you can see, guys, in less than 15 seconds, without the need of issuing cards or getting Cindy to download any application, she is now a user of Star Cafe's system. And if today I want to give Cindy a 5% cashback, I just click on earn, and I'll say that today maybe she spent about $14.80. So what we do is I collect $14.80 and process it through the POS, and I'll click confirm. And now she has 74 cents in her account. And I'll do something unique in this particular situation, shall I? So I will do something very interesting with Cindy, and specifically is that, hey, miss, now that you're a member, we have a members only promotion, you know. So the promotion is that if you buy 12 coffees now, you pay $40, you save $10. You don't need to drink the 12 coffees today, you know, because you can drink one after another. So would you like to go for it? So let's say she say yes, she wants to go for it. I'll click on top up, and I'll click on 12, and I collect $40 from her, and I process it through the POS, and I'll click confirm. And now she has 12 coffees in her account. And let's say today she wants to drink 1 coffee, and I'll click on redeem, and redeem 1 coffee, and you ask her to actually enter her redemption PIN. So for demonstration purpose, if you remember, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, and click next. And now she has this left. And with all this, Cindy, you should be receiving some SMS now, right?
You have redeemed one coffee at Star Cafe.
Yeah, cool, successful. See, all through virtual conferencing. So you can see how simple Advocado is without the need of getting consumers to download any applications, filling in forms, or giving them cards. You can just very quickly enroll them using just a mobile number. And it's also secure simply because it is a PIN that they can remember. If they forget the PIN, just press a button and the new PIN is sent to their mobile number. And other than prepaid item and cashback, you can see Advocado is really flexible. You can see like there are also vouchers, store value, stamps, points, referrals, and many other different mechanisms for you to re-engage your consumers and tailor it specifically for your needs as a business. And also with this, now you can also have the access to the backend of the system. Here, this is the master backend of the merchant. And what they can do is that, for example, if they will click on this, and they can see that this last number, this is this number, and you can see the history of Cindy. You can see that for cashback, this is something that she did. She spent $14.80. She also did a top of 12 copies and redeemed 1 at this specific time, and it's being handled by Daniel at this specific outlet. Therefore, all this information is really on your fingertips, and this is just the tip of the iceberg.